you. I hate you. Why can't you just get me out of this place? Why?
I can't right now.
You don't trust you.
Just trust me. Come on,
I'm
man.
making promises and you don't mean them.
That's not true.
You should have been the one that was killed. You. Not Mom. You.
After careful review of your file, including the assessment from your caseworker, I'm going to remove the visitation restrictions, and the reunification can begin next week. Your attorney will receive notification in the mail. Good job, Mr. Rowe.
Thank you.